Good morning. It's Wednesday, 4th of August 2021. Hope you're all having a great day, or will have a great day. I guess time zones kind of change that for you, but haven't got tests back yet. Still doing alright. I guess I'm just sneezy. I think it might be hay fever, which I'm not too pleased about, but that's what we do, innit? We have to continue regardless. Yeah, I uploaded a 6-hour cover of Sorrow by The National today, even. Yeah, take care of yourself, man. I'm awake, I'm alive, I'm orange.